Hey there, today I have another Amazon Prime wardrobe haul for you. So if you're not familiar with Amazon Prime Wardrobe, it is a free service that's offered to Amazon Prime members, and it allows you to basically try before you buy. So you can order up to 8 items of clothing, and I think they have other things like accessories. And once you get it, you have 7 days to basically try everything on and decide. And then once you've done that, you can check out, and then they give you some more time and you have to just mail it back to them. And it does go UPS, and postage is free both ways. Okay, so today usually I have like it still in the package, but I decided I'll just go ahead and unbag everything and take everything out of the plastic, because ordinarily, yeah, everything comes in the plastic and you have to put it back in the plastic and in the bag or box or whatever it came in when you ship it back. Okay, so I actually ordered a bunch of things from some of Amazon's brands, and I noticed there was a brand I hadn't seen before called Society New York, so I ordered a couple dresses from there. I also ordered some things from Amazon Essentials, and I've had really good luck with that brand, and also from Larkin Rowe. Okay, so first off I have this sweater, and this is by Larkin Rowe, and I got the size small, and this is the boat neck tunic sweater, and it goes for $35, and this is actually Amazon's choice. And I got the color winter white, but it also comes in some darker colors like a gray, a navy, and a black. But you know, although I did like the sweater, and I think it actually falls nicely, and it's kind of slimming. I like the silhouette. It has this kind of slit on the side, but I think the material is a little thin, so which makes it kind of sheer. Yeah, for me, I think this is probably a pass, but it is nice. Maybe in a different color actually, because it's kind of a nice sweater. Okay, next I have this sweater, and this is by Amazon Essentials. And actually Amazon Essentials is one of my favorite brands from Amazon. I've had a lot of luck actually getting real basics from them. So this is the women's lightweight open front cardigan sweater. So yeah, you'll see it doesn't have any buttons or anything or pockets. It's just a very simple sweater. I got it in black. This one actually had really good reviews. It's 4.5 stars on 65 reviews. And I got the size medium, because I think for sweaters I like to typically size up a little, except for that last one. And it was $18. So to me, that's actually a really good price for this sweater. And it's just kind of, it's a lightweight sweater. It's not too lightweight. I would say light to medium weight. And it does come in 9 different colors. This is 55% cotton, 25% modal, 20% polyester, machine washable. And it says it's perfect for layering. This open front cardigan features a V neckline and subtle ribbing at cuffs and hem. Actually, I really like the sweater, and I think this is a total keeper. I mean, I had so many cardigans in the past. I don't know if I mentioned in one of my videos, I had so many cardigans, and then I went on some massive decluttering, and I got rid of a lot of my really old cardigans. Now I'm trying to build back my cardigan stock, because I live in cardigans. I don't know about you guys. And you can always use a good black cardigan, and I think this one is just kind of a very basic layering cardigan. The only problem is it doesn't have pockets, but I think that's okay. I think this is a keeper. Okay, next I got this top, and this is by Larkin Rowe, and it's the Larkin Rowe elbow length sleeve turtleneck shirt. So yeah, it's a turtleneck, and I honestly don't even own one single turtleneck. But after doing my minimalist week, I realized I don't have any turtlenecks, and I think it would be kind of nice to have one for kind of like layering, and yeah, just it's a really nice basic. So this is a totally lightweight. It's a really kind of soft silky material, and oh, this one's Amazon's choice too. So it's only $15, and I got the size medium, and it's 90% rayon, 10% spandex machine wash, And here's what it says: a bit of stretch adds comfort and versatility to this classic turtleneck t-shirt with elbow-length sleeves. So I kind of like this shirt, actually. I think the medium works for me. It's silky and soft. I think you could wear it on its own, or it could be layered. And I like that it's not too fitted, so it doesn't show the muffin top. And I got the black, but it also comes in navy and gray. So I think this is a keeper for $15 and from Larkin Row. Okay, next I got this dress, and this is from Society New York, and that's a brand I actually hadn't heard of before, but it says it's an Amazon brand, and it's the women's trapeze dress. And this one had only 5 reviews, but they gave it 4.5 stars, so I thought, oh, I'll give it a try. It was only $31.80, so that's not a bad price. But to be honest, I don't know. This dress was a little bit on the short side, and I don't really care for it. I think this material feels cheap. 95% polyester, 5% spandex. I mean, I don't know. It's a cute dress, I guess, but yeah, I mean, even at $31, even though it's very inexpensive, I don't think this worked for me. But yeah, I think for me, this is probably a pass. Okay, next I have another dress from Society New York. This is just a very basic black dress, and I thought, you know what, it looks very, in the picture it looked very sophisticated, so I thought I'd give it a try. I mean, it might be nice to have a nice black dress for, like, I don't know, going to a fancy dinner. Okay, so this one is the split neck sheath dress, and it's $69, so that's a little pricey. It's like more than double the price of the other dress. And I got a size 6. They didn't have petite sizes for this either, but actually the 6 was a good length for me. The only thing is, it did, when I took it out, it seemed like, oh, this is a very nice quality dress. It's like, feels like a nice material, and it's fully lined. It has a zipper, hidden zipper in the back. It's 62% polyester, 35% rayon, 3% spandex, made in the US actually. So yeah, you'll see it's nicely lined inside. The only thing I think they should have done is maybe put some kind of kick pleat in the back, because once you put it on, you know, it's a sheath dress and it has no give in the material, so you're basically very constricted. So I mean, yeah, you can see the try on. I think it looks nice, but it doesn't feel nice. I mean, I don't know, I just wish that they had put at least some kind of pleat or like a slit in the back so you could walk easier. And I wish also the material was a little bit more stretchy. Yeah, but I mean, it is a beautiful dress. But yeah, it wasn't like the most comfortable, I think. Okay, so this is okay, and next I got this white button front shirt, and this is also by Society New York, and you'll see it's very, very long, and it has kind of a cuffed sleeve, and it's a little bit, it's kind of interesting, it's ruched in the back, and it also has these very high slits on the side. So, you know, this is kind of a very stylish shirt, I thought. So I ordered it. And okay, so this is the women's shirred sleeve shirt. Oh yeah, it is shirred. $39, so not that cheap. And I got a size small. And this one is 65% polyester, 32% rayon, 3% spandex. Yeah, because it was mostly polyester, I thought, okay, this is going to be one of those wrinkle-free shirts. But as you can see, I don't know if you can, that's not the case. It's very wrinkly. So actually, I'll have to amend this. I'm reading off of the website. Their fabric content is different from what's actually on the tag. The tag says 65% cotton, 32% polyester, and 3% spandex. So yeah, I believe the tag here, because yeah, this does feel like a cotton poly mix versus a poly rayon spandex mix. But it is actually kind of a cool top. I mean, I think it's nice, except for the wrinkles. And if you're looking for a nice white button front that's a little bit more edgy, you know, with the length and the slits on the side, I think it's worth a try. Okay, next, I got these pants. And yes, they're red. I don't know, I've just been kind of into red lately. So I don't own any red pants. And I saw these, and they're by Amazon Essentials. And they're the women's bi-stretch ankle pant. So you see it has 2 front pockets and back pocket. It has these kind of clasps and kind of an inside hidden button. And this was $24. And this is also Amazon's choice. So boy, 3 of the items were Amazon's choice that I picked today. What a great haul. Yeah, $24 for these pants. I thought that was a pretty good price. And these are actually very nice fitting pants, and I got them in the size 6 short. So that was another good thing about these pants. They come in different sizes. You can get regular size or tall or short. So I got the short. And they have it in 9 different colors. And it's 95% cotton, 5% elasticine, and machine wash. But yeah, these are very nice pants. You know what they remind me of? Almost exactly. They're kind of like pixie pants. So if you like the pixie pants from Old Navy, you probably like these. And I think the fit looks very similar. It does come in a lot of colors, and price-wise, $24. I think it's pretty much in line with the pixie pants. I think pixie pants, the regular price is a little bit higher, but if you can get it on sale, you could probably get it for cheaper than this. Yeah, so I don't know. I thought these are pretty nice, so I'm gonna think about these. And not a bad price, $24 for pants. Okay, and lastly, I got another pair of pants. Got these. And these are also by Amazon Essentials, and these are the pattern bi-stretch ankle pants. So it's basically the same pant except pattern. So I got the window pane. They also had a medallion print and a navy polka dot. This one was a little bit more than the other one. It was $26, and I got the same size, 6 short, and both of them fit the same. So sizing is consistent. Yeah, so these, this is the case of it looking nicer on the model than on me. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think these were very flattering, I think. Maybe if I had worn like maybe that long sweater or long shirt over it, it might have looked nice actually, because these are very skinny pants. Almost like leggings, yeah. But you know, they're nice, and yeah, $26. Maybe I'll have to try it on with some other items and see if this is something that I need in my wardrobe. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Amazon Prime wardrobe haul this time. And I think overall I got, you know, some pretty nice things. I would say my favorites were this Amazon Essentials cardigan, and I think this is just a really great basic. And I also like this Larkin Row turtleneck for $15. I think this is kind of nice. It's just a nice silky material. I think it falls well. Other than that, I mean, I'm kind of on the fence about these red pants. I think these are nice pants for $24. That's a good deal. These seem pretty well made, and the fit is good. I like that it's just the right length for me. I am 5'1", so I'm pretty short, and I think these pants work. And it was a 6 short. So it's good that Amazon is coming out with different lengths or inseams. So that was good. And you know, I really did like this sweater. I like this tunic length. I don't have anything this long looking, but like I said, it was a little bit sheer. So I might consider getting it in another color, like maybe the gray, or even like they had navy or black too. So we'll see. I'll think about it. I like this boat neck too. I think that looks nice. But anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos and outfit of the day. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.